The Efutu Municipal Health Directorate in the Central Region has disclosed that a total of about 1,500 HIV cases have been recorded in the year 2018, and out of this number, over 70% are youth-related cases. Speaking at the commemoration of World AIDS Day program held at Winneba Senior High School in the Central Region on the 1st of December 2018, the Efutu Municipal Health Director Mr. Kojo Ahia indicated in a statement read on his behalf that the alarming rate at which the virus is spreading among the youth in the region leaves the directorate zero option than to initiate strategies to stop and minimize the menace.
And about the statistics, HIV is real in Winneba. We have over 1,500 cases that we are attending to. Yes, only when you come to the municipal hospital, we have over 100 patients that trauma and specialist hospital are also attending to. And majority are females.
For his part, Pastor Thomas Okwe, a member of Consummate for Health Foundation, said some myths and misconceptions surrounding HIV is leading a lot of the youth astray.
Number one, others are saying that when you test positive and you try your best to propose to a young lady who is a virgin, and you have an affair with that individual or that person, your HIV will be gone. Because of that, those who believe in that, they go to the extent to have an affair with virgins. And when that happens, what do you think they are doing? What do you think they are doing? Thank you. And that is what is a misconception.
Councillor Michael Tego in his presentation explained the difference between human immunodeficiency virus and acquired immune deficiency syndrome, and also encouraged the participants to know their status. At the end of the program, participants were given the opportunity to ask questions and interact with the facilitators. The program, which was organized by Ocean One TV in collaboration with Consummate for Health Foundation and funding support from UNAIDS, was condensed with presentations, comedy, and drama. It hosted students from Winneba Senior High School, officials from Efutu Municipal Health Directorate, and the Assembly.